Hey everyone, welcome back to my cooking channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a very delicious, fresh Agua De Jamaica. And let me tell you something, you do not want to miss out on this recipe. It is so good. So don't go anywhere. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Keep in mind that this video is less than 4 minutes long. That is how quick and easy this recipe is going to be for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Pay attention, this is going to go by fast. Alright, in a medium saucepan, I went ahead and added 3 cups of water. I have that on medium heat, and I'm going to go ahead and wait until that gets nice and hot. In this measuring cup here, I have 2 cups of dried hibiscus flower. Pack it loosely so that you can have enough flavor in there. 2 cups is going to do the trick. Once you see that your water is getting nice and hot, go ahead and add all of your hibiscus flower to it. You will start noticing that it's going to start releasing that beautiful red, deep burgundy color. Once you see that it comes to a boil with a hibiscus flower in it, I am going to go ahead and cover it up and let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. This is what you should look like about 7 minutes in. This is releasing all of the flavor for your nice, delicious, refreshing water. Once you have this nice and simmered, you're going to go ahead and add your sugar. Keep in mind, guys, yes, this does take sugar and lots of it, but it is so good. Hibiscus flower, if you've ever had it, it's very bitter, so you kind of have to add a little extra sweetness to just get it to that delicious tart and sweet flavor that is nice and even. I added 1.5 cups of sugar. You can play with the sweetness, start at 1.5 cups, and you can go up to 2 cups if you want it to be extra sweet. I left it at 1.5 because it was perfect. Just enough sweetness and just enough tartness. And make sure that when you're putting your spoons down, put them over a napkin because it will stain your counter. Be careful with your clothes too, it'll stain that as well. I'm covering it up and I'm going to let it sit here until it's cooled. About 30 minutes later, my syrup, hibiscus syrup, is cooled. I'm going to go ahead and add it to this pitcher. This pitcher holds about 1 gallon of water. So I filled it up halfway with purified water. I added my syrup, and I personally love to add the actual hibiscus flower to it. When I add the lid to this particular container, it has a strainer so you won't get any of the hibiscus flowers. If you want to just avoid all of that to begin with, strain the syrup and go ahead and toss the flowers, or you can go ahead and eat them. They are actually really good. So here I noticed that I was missing a little bit of water, so I just went and added a little bit more. You can fill this pitcher up to the rim of the spout and you'll still have it nice and concentrated and sweet. So go ahead and taste it. Here you can decide whether you want to add more sugar. Now I went ahead and added it to this very fancy, beautiful pitcher just for you guys. Pour it over lots and lots of ice. This is concentrated. It is not watered down, so it'll take on to a lot of ice. Wow. Oh my gosh. So fresh. So good. Thank you guys for watching. You guys have got to make this right now, immediately. Oh, it's so good. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.